Now we do the soldering. We do use the extension file soldering. Soldering this fence to extension cable here, and this end goes to there. And before we do that, I set up the soldering guns here. As you see here, that's the guns power on already, so it's heating up. Where it's heating up, I'm trying to use this kind of cleans. This mat is trying to clean up. This kind of foam is clean up the tips of the soldering irons. So before you use that, generally you need to get some water there, and that's the reason it's not stop the fire. Okay, so it's just make the foams works. Don't get too many waters. Okay, so see, once you put that foam there, it's getting red and got start to expand. Okay, I put that bottle back there, make it safe. And we're in the waiting, so I try to set up my soldering stations. And soldering is kind of cool stuff because it's just like a super glue. It's metal glue, it can glue a lot of metal stuff. And this cable is pretty strong cables. Before you do any soldering, try to put some tape solder around these cables first, then join them together. Okay, so a lot of people will just soldering like this, put them together and put the solder irons there and solder it. No, that's not the way. Trying to put some solder on both cables and join them together. So I think the cable is almost there. Let me test it. I can hear the sizzlings. That means the solder iron is almost there. If you see here, the tips, it's pretty shiny. That means because I put solder on top of it before I stopped using it last time, that protects the solder tips. That's a very good one. And almost there. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put some solders on these tips first. Okay, so this cable is good. I'm going to that cables. Okay, that cable is good. And every time you use it, you just do like this. You clean up the tips of the solder irons, makes a good soldering for next round. Okay, so it's shiny again. Now I'm doing this side. Not good. Okay. Okay, good. I'm trying to put these rod cables with these things two together. Before you do that, make sure that you put the heat sink inside, okay? Or if you solder that, you cannot put it on again. Okay, so I'm trying to put these two cables together and join them together now. Here we go. See? That together. This one. And these two. Here we go. Good. See? That's connections, good connections. There's some cable around here. Okay. And same things as I did before, so every time you do the soldering, try to clean the tips and put it on the solder irons and trying to do another end. This shrink is too small. It doesn't matter, I can fix it later. Okay, this two end. And this end got these two cables again, just like that before, and I just clip it this here and clip it this here. Okay. Where are my solder irons? Okay. Here we go. Okay, so I'm trying to put a solder there. Okay, good. A lot of solders. Here we go. I clean up the tapes again. Possible in the video you cannot smell the bad smells from the solder irons, but really not good. So that's really not doing this project for my future soldering project. You can buy, definitely you can buy some things from the market. It's costs you about $50–60 or even more, but also you can use some garbage stuff and make your own stuff just like us. And we do the wire. Generally you need to know which one go to which one. So there's two wire here. Red one, black ones. Remember, always use the black one together and the red and black one together. Right on the white together. So these two tips need to put some solder there also. I forgot to do that. I'll do that now. Here we go. Now I'm doing the red one. Don't block my eyes. Here we go. Okay, putting up the tip. And what I want to do is join these things together. So the black to black and oh shit, it still hurt. It's still hot. And put them together. Can you come this way? Come this side. No, come this side. That'll be easy. Here we go, together now. And come to this. Okay, I think something wrong is there's too less solder on that tip. So I need to put more solder there. In that case, that will join them together. Here we go. That's a good blob. Big blob. Try and do that again. Ooh, good job. Okay, so Jerry, did you smell the? How do you feel?
Pretty bad.
Yeah,
so
pretty
I'm
bad.
hoping this will actually help.
Yeah, we're hoping this works, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells really bad.
So these connections, you have to avoid the short, right? So that's really put a heat sink here. But the problem is my heat sink is too small, so it cannot slot in here. It's too small, so it cannot fit in. So I possibly use another way is use my tape. This tape is, as I said, you have to use this kind of electric tape. This is good for your project. I use my cutters. A lot of people use the cut by themselves, use the fingers, but I cannot. I tried. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is trying to cut a little piece of that. I think possible this should be enough for make it longer. Okay, so make it safer. Here we go. And what I'm trying to do is tape it. Yep. That's too enough. That's too much. But I can save it for later. And don't be afraid of doing this kind of hackings. And besides the safety, you blow up your electric stuff. You can do it again because these things are garbage already, right? You either throw it away or do something fun. So besides the safety, you can do anything you like and even fail. That's the way you learn, right? So that's also my way to learn. So I put this cable joint there.
Can I do it? Can I do the next one?
You want to do the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can cut it a piece and just make it tight, okay?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay. And now I'm going to do this to end. There's 4 connections. There's one more, Jerry. You can do that once also.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, do that one. I feel very hot, so once put my goggles on, I got the mist inside. I take it off. It's too hot for me. Oh. If you see some debris or some small thread, just make it flat and don't let him poke outside.
Dad, mine and yours looks different.
Doesn't matter. Turn off. So generally that cable has been hooked up already, and see that cable is pretty long, so I can move around these cables, select whatever I want. And before I do that, I want to do some tests and make sure that works before I move all the solder stuff away. And I just clean up my cable. It's a really big mess. Okay, unplug this. Oops.
We'll show you the result after the testing. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out part 1, part 2 or part 3, then please click on the link below. It's in the same order. Then if you want to check out our website, please click on the fourth link, which is down here. And also please subscribe up here and like down here for more videos like this.